What's up, guys? Gonna do a real quick video on the Highway Forever project. And today, boys and girls, got a nice little sweet treat. It's by the fellas at DCSFAB Fabrications, that is. And what do you think it is? Here we go. Boom! Look at that, guys. Is that nice or what? Excellent craftsmanship. Build time, 3 weeks approximately. Got their stamp. Just so everybody knows what time it is. You can go ahead and order one yourself. I'm not gonna get mad or jealous since this is the first one made. I think with the 5.9 Cummins on there. What do you think? Thumbs up? Thumbs down? You can put whatever you want on there. Badass, whatever, chilling, smoke you out. You can come up with anything and he'll do it. Alright guys, so there you have it. Be cool.